back to Integration. Our Way of Life segments from Somalia with Brother Mohamed Diini continue as we discuss today Hooyo. Amazing. The word mom, a simple word that means so much in this world. And Brother Mohamed Diini is going to give us an enlightening discussion on what Somali mothers signify and how strong they've kept this country going.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So speaking about the mother, Hooyo, I'll tell you what, there's a hadith of the Prophet ﷺ where he speaks about the womb of a mother, right? And he says that when Allah had created the womb, Allah spoke to the womb. Well, the womb actually spoke to Allah. And it said to Allah, "Oh Allah, can I make a request?" Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, yes. Then the womb where we all came out of said, "Oh Allah, promise me that you connect whoever connects me and disconnect whoever disconnects me." Yeah? "Oh Allah, that you keep close whoever keeps the ties of kinship close, and whoever disconnects whoever comes out of me, oh Allah, disconnect them." And Allah said, "I promise that I'll do that. And to show you how close you are to me, one of my attributes is Ar-Rahman, the most merciful." And in the Quranic Arabic, right, Rahm is the word for a womb, right? So you could see how closely related they are. But you know, speaking about mothers, I think about my very own mother. I think about the struggles that she had gone through. I think about, she had all 6 of us when she was 23. And that's about the time when my father had gotten sick. May Allah bless his soul, passed away now. So she stopped wanting to become whoever she wanted to become in life at 23 because we were more important than her, and because my father had gotten ill. So taking care of him, my father, her husband, her partner in life, taking care of him, and us had become more beloved to her than her very own life. And so speaking about mothers, I know that she has gone through everything there is in the book. She had traveled 10,000 miles away from this country, from Somalia, to the other end of the world, all because she wanted us to have that which she never had. She gave us not only what she had, but also what she did not have. She wanted us to live a better life than the one that she did. She wanted us to be happier than she ever was. And I think it's a responsibility, an obligation on me, and I tell this to as many people as I meet, just about all of my lectures. It's a divine, godly obligation upon all of us to make them happy, and now that we're older, to make sure that they don't ever hurt one more single second of their lives. We're here to work for them, to serve them, and they should be just laying back, just chilling, because we should be the ones working to making them happy and earning for them and all that.
So in Somalia, women struggle a lot. Maybe there's a breakdown in the families in the country. There's a lot of men have been lost during the war. How can we give hope to those women in this country?
We should appreciate them more. You'd be surprised how much wonders a good word can do for someone. To try to appreciate them within the family, within society, by our leaders, by our sheikhs and Islamic scholars, by the fathers themselves, to appreciate all that they've done for us as their sons and daughters, but also for our community. Had it not been for Allah and our mothers, Somalia would have probably ceased to exist a very long time ago. So appreciate them, I think, and then pray for them. Pray for them. Everything is in the hands of Allah, and to try to go and seek out that Jannah that's at the feet of our mothers should also be a pursuit for all of us to take serious.